Hi, welcome to another video from MS Office Guru. We hope you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. The round function. The round function can be used to round off a number to desired number of decimal places. Here in E3, we have a number with multiple decimal places. We want to round this off. To do this, we start with equals and we type round open brackets, select the cell or type in its reference E3, comma, and now we have to give the number of decimal places we want to round it off to. Let us give 3, and closing brackets and hitting enter will give us 234.568. There is another function named round down. As you can see from the drop down, we can select the round down, open brackets, E3, 3, close brackets. When we hit enter, it will give us a round down version with 3 decimal places. That is 234.567. These are the round functions. Thank you for watching the video. Please share this knowledge with your friends, family, and colleagues. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.